Welcome to the Hypnosis Practitioner Certification Home Study Training page. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey into the world of hypnotherapy, guided by Cameron Sultan, a master trainer of NLP and hypnosis, strategic intervention coach, certified firewalk instructor, and Jose Silva's Ultra Mind ESP systems instructor, with thousands of hours of practice and teaching under his belt. Picture yourself wielding the extraordinary power of the mind, equipped with the knowledge and skills to transform lives. With this immersive program, approved by the American Board of Hypnotherapy and Professional Board of Hypnosis Canada, presented in a dynamic mix of Urdu and English, spanning 10 captivating sessions and offering over 30 hours of online content. Through informative discussions and hands-on exercises in each session, you'll delve deeper into hypnosis and learn everything from theory to practical applications, from conducting a hypnosis intake interview to inducing a powerful hypnotic trance using a variety of methods and delivering hypnotic suggestions. You will be able to help people develop and improve any skills or change bad habits like smoking. But wait, there's more. Your learning journey extends beyond the program itself. When you enroll, you become part of our exclusive WhatsApp group, connecting with your trainer and fellow learners, sharing successes, and receiving unwavering support to fuel your hypnotic journey. And there's an irresistible bonus. In addition to mastering hypnosis, you'll also receive 3 powerful self-hypnosis audio sessions, including Be a Confident Hypnotist, Activate Any Book, and Activate Any Training, each valued at $27. That's a total bonus value of $81. Get ready to experience their transformative power. You can use these to continuously improve yourself and your life. But that's not all. In addition to learning all you need to practice hypnosis, you will learn how to establish your practice. Yes, that's right. There is a complete session within the program, based on Cameron's years of successful experience in the field, teaching you the insights and strategies you need to start your own hypnosis practice. This session alone is worth its weight in gold. And when you complete the program, you will receive a Certified Hypnosis Practitioner certificate from the First Institute of Dynamic Learning, LLC USA. If you're ready to embark on this life-changing journey, explore our free preview lessons to get a taste of what's in store. Plus, we offer 3 flexible enrollment options. 1. Enroll now at the regular price, enjoying lifetime support in our WhatsApp group. 2. Opt for 2 installments of $128. 3. Get one-time access for a full 15 days. You can easily complete the course and learn these powerful skills at a nominal investment of just $97. Seize this opportunity to become a certified hypnosis practitioner. If you ever need assistance, feel free to contact us at +1 908 500 9371. Thank you for your visit. We wish you a transformative learning experience with us.